But you're right in that the numbers are so important, either to help you investigate and find a story, right? Or to,
Exactly.
let's say, like, I don't like the word validate, but I can't think of a better word right now. But it's sometimes you need the story to then go investigate the impact, right? Or the get the numbers behind it.
Yeah, yeah, the combo. And the last thing I'll say is, one of the, I think it was the gentleman who side, talking about just like the report and the report just sitting there. I think the other advice I give designers or researchers is to think of everything that you make as a tool. So, you don't create a tool to just sit in the toolbox, right? But you have to craft it for use and teach. And when you present it, say this is something you are going to be using, and here's how to use it. So, like I think mapping, kind of like journey mapping, things like that, ecosystem mapping. Those approaches sometimes people say, "Oh, it's not worth the time." Some people say, "No, without this, we can't see." I think in the end that the ones that have been created that are actually used as a tool and can be used as a tool are much more successful than just a data visualization that get presented and then on some file drive, right? That somebody remembered later, like, oh, didn't we one time do something? So to think of everything as I'm trying to put a tool in someone's hand to do a better job, and to think about how you craft anything that you make from that vantage point versus a communication piece. I think that is a very important distinction to think about.